No, don't push her. Gently, okay? Joshi? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Joshua! Say hi to Saba and Safta.
Hello.
Say hello, Saba. Hello, Safta. Joshi, can you fix Taltal hair a little bit? A little bit better? A little bit better? Thank you. What are you doing? Are you cutting her hair?
Yeah.
That's nice. Well done, Booby. You very busy, Joshi? She wants the camera. Taltal, Taltal. What are you doing?
I'm cutting her hair. I cut it. I cut your hair.
Metti le mani, Taltallina. Joshi, did you have fun in the park?
Yeah.
Can you look here 1 second? Can you look here 1 second? Oh yeah, what? Can you come give a kiss to Mama?
That's mine.
That's my slipper.
I cut it. How do I want to say that?
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye, Taltal. Bye-bye.